about that time again. Ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're watching us from, welcome back to the Untold Podcast. On a weekly basis, we try to digress into issues that are near and far. And today we have a very, very special guest with me. On my immediate right, who do we have here?
We have Real Kobe.
Kobe one nigga. Yeah, and the nice lady sitting beside you.
Veron.
Bro, I would urge you to speak a little bit louder so that my audience
Veron.
will hear. Veron. That's a nice name also.
Thank you.
And Maji.
Yeah, it's always Gideon forever.
Forever, man. With everything. So, bro, let's get this up and out the way. It's a tricky discussion today, but I urge you guys to also bring out whatever you feel inside and just talk from your hearts. Today, I want to talk a little bit, or want to, digest this matter about weddings and stuff. I think, Veron, you being a lady, we'll start from you. Would you like a bigger wedding or a smaller wedding?
For me, I would prefer a bigger wedding because I'm the first daughter. So
a bigger wedding.
Would be bad. Very, very big, huge.
Hey.
Very huge.
Hold the huge there. Come back to that. Kobe, what about you?
You can sit down well.
The way they do there.
Oh, me. Like, for real, I'm not going to do wedding for Germany here.
So wherever you do it,
I will go do bigger wedding for Ghana.
Bigger wedding.
Make I give you a reason. You carry, young man say,
make it go deep inside there. I don't know how make you go the financials inside. I will come ask you financials.
Okay, then I will go do one for Ghana.
Okay. I will come that question next. So, forever man, what about you?
You know me, I'm always complicated. Me, I don't go do wedding.
Why is it isotopes?
Oh, but yeah, for real. On the serious note, I think bigger wedding is very good. And I'm gonna do it in Ghana too. Yeah, I agree with my brother.
Yeah. Ghana for you. Wow, that's nice. So, but back to you. Bigger wedding. You do it in Ghana. Why Ghana?
For here, no. Let's say you carry 30,000 euros. You do wedding. Ube wedding sa akoko.
I know the bab.
Everything be time.
Yeah.
Oko jeho be 15,000. Ebe more time. Ebi 8 pound. Why you day now you for enjoy, But 30,000, all the qua Mahama background. Me pull come for 50 billion cash.
Yeah.
But it not be small.
But
I go fly. Listen, ebia my family in my church,
Yeah.
I go fly them. I go fly them or go Kumasi.
Yeah. When you say you go do am, you go do am.
Clear.
If you won't do it, then you won't do it.
It be so. Onya obey. For
Aye.
here, no. Obey wedding na police for crowd stop you.
Boy. But no, like church or because according to the law, your wedding inside no. Bit my outside. If you have you inside, bit my outside. But me right inside, me chill be say this. I just say mapon. They are. But my witness be that like omujina gate na nim. But me remove me course.
Na right inside though. But me frɛ to say penny
no wo ho na ma na pia ba be. So o feel say
so when na distraction.
Enti me yam wedding no. Na ma ba no ma frɛ penny ba ko. Asema mo ne kan na amfa. Mo be stop me na say mo yam de.
Yeah, bro.
Have you get me?
I feel you.
I get what the thing just funny. That's why. So, Veron, why a bigger wedding? What would that be? Who catch them say because you are the firstborn?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means a bigger wedding means a lot of expenses. Obe prefers you do it here or sorry, but let me ask you this question before that. You Ghanaian, right?
Yeah, I'm a Ghanaian.
Okay. Which part of Ghana are you from?
I'm from the Volta region.
Efo Gagnon.
Number 9.
Efo Gagnon.
Hey, why you shouting?
Number 9.
Efo Gagnon.
Why they shout?
Why am I shouting?
People, they know they play plus them.
No.
Yeah.
I swear.
Why they call them number 9?
No, they call them
you know,
number
why? You
9.
know be Ghanaian. You don't know.
But it's a good yeah. Half of my mom is from there, so number 9.
I go place ball for Maoli. only Maoli, it be voter school. Then my girls be Maoko. We dey talk wedding matter. You there?
Number 9. So yeah,
Okay.
talk about football another day.
Business.
So I'm coming. Why would you do it here in Ghana?
It must be here because
It
my
must.
mom is here. All of my family, like most of my family, are here.
I find girl power your wedding
Yeah.
Clear.
It depends.
Big,
Like
big
it
one.
depends.
Ben Waha.
It depends.
Independent-
Say, like with your own reasons, you know, the own reasons I could be mine. Honestly, the reasons makes mine different. Say like
Yeah.
maybe
Oh, okay.
over
Yeah,
30,000, maybe another 100,000.
Okay.
Exactly.
You get it?
Okay.
The more
Okay,
it's
okay.
kind of a caution, the more on a wedding
Yeah.
very expensive.
Yeah,
You get
yeah,
it?
yeah.
But any feel you say, okay, 30,000 is huge. Okay, cost it is small. You could do a lot because the €100 suit a better. I say we to suit the suit.
Suit when I got on €100 Kumano. Maza. €100 suit wa.
Me mau castical example. I will say no.
Me this I no go talk some.
Let's just say
Me discuss now come chrome boy. Me can't boy.
But
Me discuss now come chrome boy.
and you know SWAT here on a normal circumstance €100 like a
1,700.
huge.
Yeah.
A huge 1,700. Wait my at the suit correct one.
Suit.
Yeah,
Suit.
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 Bro,
With my Jia my best man cry.
Say,
Who correct dealer?
bro.
1,700 obeji 2 na
But-
mamu no.
Come on.
Ever drew hair.
Enso nipa baako kra.
There-
Like,
there-
what I say,
Like, but
1,700.
No.
a woman, a bit to 2. Say it depending on the obeto.
The bottom na chile.
When obeti me me na me guy be yes I
Okuta
see
100
business to
euro
go
kra me ba.
Ghana.
Oko H&M, aha H&M kra unya bi.
Unyabi, €100 you know will get.
Okay.
So
1,700. Me na me
And
guy
then-
ye into
and then-
suit ayi me post
and
on me
then,
start
like,
me ade.
HM be warranty.
Ebi
My
a-
husband and his suit.
And
Me
boy.
card ya.
You bet my best man.
You bet me yeah wo be high cry bet my
1, 2, 3,
best.
4.
You be best man ama
Yeah,
correct
yeah.
one ama o. Kama so.
Suit no ntua.
The here say o made for I'm from say bride or
Made of honor.
made of honor. Omo be here then. Omo like omo be my correct ones.
I hear some one thing be about I say wedding. They say, "Omo your wedding now. More your friend no.
Yeah.
Like the people
Mwana
waiting they
moto
follow.
money man,
Mwana moto money oma.
Dabi.
No, it depend.
It
I think
depended.
it's
But
individualistic
baby,
and
yes, I
everything.
don't know.
Yeah.
Last year, me a bridesmaids too. I was Hanover. Or take expense of baby. The toy ni say
But say what you do that, say,
and
ebi
a
mo-
toy and pabwa. In Tariani
What
people.
Yeah, what on
Hair.
pabwa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, you know.
Yeah, we got better. No, see different. Too short any long.
Into one motor man there.
And I'm pabwa. But then in Tariani 3. Pamni in Africa 19.
Enti.
I thought something like 50-50.
No, it's because in Taran, listen, it's because also palm free Ghana and then it has to be organized. Ain't na or mama at Taran. But on a normal circumstance, I was in come back to be in normal at Taran, I'm going to be what I say, Yanka. Mato.
Come on, tune in now.
Oh, but on a real like yeah wedding.
Well,
And I
Ghana
say,
have a fabi be
that be-
away,
oh,
go
that be
try.
Obama about oh your wedding. Yeah, oh your wedding or me yeah or Kobe yeah. The main case. Remember the Kobe yeah. Yeah man like will not tell him to buy us
Yeah.
like suit. Yeah, you better
Okay,
yeah
it
because
depends.
and
Okay,
when he has a
very
better
boys,
Listen, the boys and I said the men will be different from the women.
I didn't know what to see that mommy. I was saying
Yeah.
now because
And
when
then
maybe
again,
contribution to wedding no not drinks
Excess.
aduane can ya be fa na sa
Rare, because you nigga crowd or why
sana obey because we support her no
support her.
what do I say
Bamba unse mba omo different mba some
style
or maybe na makudi nkomo baby ni ade they say we cry na or what they say na say long talk.
okay well okay so you made your point clear so back to Veron also because your family is here and everything with expenses now we say yes be 30,000 be wedding wa na also pay very also a huge wedding one ka big
I just say huge. It doesn't mean that like a lot of people should come. If I say maximum people on Beban, just 50.
Hey,
Yeah, it shouldn't be.
50 is-
It
it's
won't
not
be
huge.
more than 50.
50 is not
Ma,
huge.
sorry, 10. Maybe fewer. I sorry, didn't that 10.
huh
It was
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
After
Oh,
this,
yeah.
no, after this,
Oh, yeah, when you-
I'm sorry, no, also me two sign. Me tag
so she
Also,
so 10
I sorry, 10.
boy 10 oh
I sorry, didn't that 10.
wedding no nya no
Youth.
sorry ho
once a different.
Okay, boy, make a business man question.
Yeah.
As I was 10. When Crawford number invite, oh my man, Crawford number invite, papa, come on, bedroom.
Maybe youth for 5, 7 months.
Abo.
Now papa answer. If you are brothers, almost
No, when they church, no, 7 months in Kwana.
Much I'm the same church.
Tabi omo
No, some papa answer by the same church.
On court, sorry, no.
And so I'm not inviting Crawford from.
That be papa be free Ghana na aba. Inti no South America no South Ghana boarding for 5 November.
Okay.
It's not you, it's yanya 15. It's not
Find your power, you're ready for 50 pay.
Mebao. So huge na walk no.
like I was saying huge in terms of like classiness.
Classy.
I was saying who say what about wedding and yes say
it can be still many and
no
a bit my classic.
Many
If you say huge, it's part of huge. So okay, huge say okay huge.
It's who expect to say
15
main
year
spending like main
Like-
animal crop minimum umbedi.
And the girl has a Ghanaian mentality. The girl has a Ghanaian
Nana,
mentality.
you know do something before. Unye vida. Uncle be wedding.
Maybe nkompo.
Uncle.
Why minimum put why invite me member.
And then Ghana na free buy.
I want me free back.
So I go year.
Uba kroma wo humida. Anyhow,
Mumbo.
Ukraine last time so humida.
Yeah.
I work for more than a year. Who invite me ya hume.
But so free Ghana never.
Yeah, me forget na eba.
Uncle year.
Me nkwa yeda. Like
Nkwa
me
yeda.
space na was say me pay be brain na later mo ka say jollof ni cran it was salty.
Eh, me
Nah, say. With my own money, Baba complain. It's not jollof ni
Yo,
salty.
no, after the
Come
more
on.
papa, or the plan, and then we say on the plan.
Plan.
Boy,
Boy, say
yeah.
I can live by plan.
Maybe
Wait,
later my sister my 100.
Sana Mecca. Boy, ebedu baby no. E on say on kwa na eti ne kunu ne ya say. Asan be ware no. Okay.
the person just like he's
yeah.
not present here, like right now as we are talking.
Who knows? Maybe where your plans are your father.
Ah boy, me no your plans.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
okay. My member question we.
Okay.
Into you saying huge, you know. I'm finna say we can or mention 30,000 into it's cabana or see when you say
budget.
budget.
To be honest with you, budget ni nyanye into no.
No,
Me
like
say from
just give
50 echo.
From saying
50,000 echo.
50 day,
50,000 euro. Yeah.
currency bank.
Euros no count.
50,000 euros.
Yeah.
I swear I will take go Ghana.
50.
8 million less than that because come on.
Maybe
you're
I'll-
firstborn.
We're on.
The
But,
price.
like, guys, like very yeah,
Swatch, I swear.
forever,
For
forever,
loan boy.
boy, forever, forever.
Na say ni na
Yes,
count.
I don't so what but I don't
Ni na
know.
count. Into kwaji loan the bear wedding
I
na.
don't know. The
Show
chat
me about forever. Where when Kobe, where bear with me. Like I say, I don't know always, you know. Me per se you more because always you might be like me you might be all kind of maintain for baby another. This is the first time I'm hearing certain things, so I would like her to throw more lights on that area, ma'am.
Area by exactly.
50,000. That's status. Maybe 50,000.
For now, 50,000 a year budget.
50,000.
A bit me
Roughly.
Yeah,
roughly
we bet much
budget.
50,000 to Ghana cedis. I'm on my there now. Mahu
Only wait, only scan go for
I'm
spending on
coming,
wedding.
but I want to ask you a question. Do you realize that there's life after wedding?
And do you realize the wedding and the people one can once spend over internet. It wasn't like money is special. Let it be. You should money
said-
anything.
But
Ordinary.
check mommy. But as
I say
aside
50,000.
yeah 50,000. Aside that, you know, life after wedding, you know. So when you say wedding, you know, it's a one-day event.
I know.
And as
685 billion.
boa.
Only people do spend more than that.
I'm
in
coming
Ghana
over on
weddings.
here
Some
lies
say money.
here lies the case. We are not you're not comparing yourself to people.
I'm not comparing myself.
Yeah. That is me. I'm talking to you like I'm talking to
Ebia.
me girl or one thing. Yeah. So what I say? Some amount, I think it's too because sales can know who. Everyone say it to me the be 15,000 quiet wedding. Or then fan say normally. Maybe I'm just making I'm making an assumption. Yeah, the 15,000 a year. Yeah, 15,000. Every 50,000 my Becca say.
I bet 35.
35. Everyone say yeah, 15,000. Yeah, simple wedding. Eduane simple. We a wedding be we church na say your point na aduano mo chebe obi ade okọ ni baby me bra me ba yaw me chewade la yaw yeah forever no that me chewade nipa besine waye den oye wedded ana onye wedded kondo oye wedded ana onye wedded oye wedded me boa you see em say o was 50,000 em fan say o was 50,000 no Verona e kanu na sika no yi
enyo bia na obenya nti de ho be so na obeye
o de em fan say even so was sika na 15 em fan say kanu obo nyina 15,000 35,000 e wan dey
boy oni 50
dabi o me ba
David,
no, yeah, assumption. No, we are making 50,000.
No, 50,000.
No. Asamna yeah, tio. Yeah, fine say. To say yeah, obi a won 50,000 the wedding. Obi a won the deal. You achieve 50,000 me nyina say, "O sika ni obetimi the wedding." Nipa no yeah wedding so won 50,000. Veron no ono ne expectation no if 50,000 and above 50,000 e base limit o. Maybe ame me see be am the bear 10,000 to 15,000 a bear wedding.
Oh you know, na so ko no Ghana.
O de me ba na me no ha kra say ma nipa 4 ya tena se ye wedding there ya o de be wi an say obi wi obenya marriage certificate na ring e shamunsa moye wedded o mu wi pictures na mu kotwa wo ne wo nkrofo e na mu ko akotwa pictures
posting so and tag you be
me tag you asemasi because me nya sure say Veron obekai obi a wo ware wo Hamburg ha January and last year March you will not remember the person because weddings no Saturday there is a new wedding into a special occasion once in a lifetime thing but I to say you won't crab we say we special time near wo na the next minute you wo another person wow 35,000 you say you 50,000 wo say wo the 50,000 e be wo there and no one say come na no be worry 50,000 no your base limit that means over expect 80,000 above near the ordinary dey be kan me 50,000 me 15,000 a year for every man be 50,000 or the 10,000 a year 40,000 a year then first world 35 me there after wedding no there's more things to do it's not as if the life will just end like that too
maybe I want to say it's gonna be a wedding
we are not putting there
if you can say 80,000 it doesn't mean say or the nini na and I say ebi ani savings or ebi oni ni savings awaye if no can say be or the 80,000 be ya oni ni boto
be ti dem no kan ti me dem so me no kan ti 50,000 enyis kaketwa ye ti asia ye ka me no mienu
bra
50,000 no eni num emeka ho
dabi
ye me no mienu 10,000 kula ni bi
oni bi men ka say ye ni bi
wo dem me tiro wa kokoda
so was say
kokoda wo dem no kokotra say
jai
say kura o
ye wi am 5k wa
na sabunyina mate
na o ko ware o for 50,000 na akwa ware where the no so enye Ghana na e ha say huge no huge papa bi e 50,000 na ahekwa wi anu akwa akodi den o do na okopem dan na se de na bro
I'm trying to say 50,000 and me whole lifetime savings now ASR 50.
I'm talking from my own perspective because me nim amount wo honum and
I like it flow perspective
yeah dey wo kwa me sibia me nim no say okay me dey ni and am here make but from your own opinion no dey I don't know about that what you say
okay
yeah
into no ebia only say 50,000 and yes ebia me husband to be in Kwana year this 50,000. I have parents. Also one parents. We all have family members. Maybe I for me the 10,000 pen baba. Also the 10. Me mama the 20,000. Also the mama the 20,000.
I found friend here kwa ya na.
Kobi na warrior. Obi the 200 euros. Into so I kobi it's kind of
na boys in ya
200 euros.
Baron see Veron, I understand where you're coming from. Like the whole can meet was it. Me bra penny wedding. Me mama me want to bibia for.
Good.
Bibia me mama me taking care of everything.
You see.
Me mo wasa assurance say me mama but me fan share me team say edu wa me plan edu no be ya fine. Wanya me osika me ne kwa ba. Na me for mani nkoto abusu aso say all the way beba na wan fa ma. What you say? Because ya o warrior.
Na me friend man say no piske ngo na me enche me ba wale. Catch omo say do wa.
Omo be support you. Omo be me family members. Omo come on. There are a lot of rich people. They will do. So what you say? No, they will do it. But the thing is, do or not say in life there, nothing is guaranteed. Bibia bet mercy.
We party.
There be o must say any way party. Bibia bet mercy o. And to us o area woni nipa no and like between one guy no. Enye family o area na bo say mo ye mate mo ho na o ma me ne ate no
oban be free ne ma na eja ne na akot sna ne be man
yeah
na ma ye ba ko na ba Matthew chapter 5 verse 9
ate ase d4 call guys so Ron metwase fine scano wabo scano din so him say but some question say you know there's a life after wedding no
yeah.
We say yes e be now savings so honey ade. But me bow. So when him say Bill Gates, Elon Musk, all this Jeff Bezos nominated. Omo go mo scan crash to na omo make sure say there be a scaba be gumo. So untimi ka say scanner award that hono because they work akra bi da also at least.
But me ba obi enu ho a yemfa say nipa no a owo 1 euro ho a. Yeah. Obeka say bia oyimu half akwa wedding. So what you say?
Yeah.
Oh, onim denti a oyi mu half na kwakwa wedding no
akwa ma hu bi o 1 euro o de 1 euro nyina akwa wedding bobo si aka ho
o ya boa
akwa oba ya wonti bi
so ne bonus ah
da bi wonti bi ka im say o de 1 euro no o be say abobo si aso so o expect say wedding no
na ye no so prema
ana say ye mfa ntonche ye mfa wedding ntonche obi biara o ye bibia our life ma
yeah
now mfa say o 100% before so be use e bia sika no na say o like ni half so 50 na say what mean say after when you are good to go
yeah
what I say as classical exam Kennedy Japan asem omudi
yeah
ono ye hwe amount of sika ono no oje
yeah
and I say sika owo any man say $80 million ni say ontua
yeah
what I say no ma so mabubu ma
$500 but what the make no before say court be ma say any setua no o ma check wo income into unua wo be 200 million and yes won twa 80 million it is all you say court be that ka say we check your account me na wo 200 million now say for 200 million na e come
yeah but you know because till where we are from no
wo to a year kodi na awo ka be na otwi
forever
o de sense ka na go wedding ka be na otwi
yeah baby if you know where we are from frankly speaking ladies no move free our side of the world and then abrofo no difference home. But for ladies, I don't think my wedding won't pressure to say Ghanaian ladies no pressure on them wedding no.
Where?
Yeah, too much. Too much. Like pressure no doorso. Boys no drink. Me say my wedding convoy ne cars. Ave obey na waboka o.
Convoy dey also here.
That be obey ade na. I say within your means. Sana me person me che.
And who son ya worry simple.
That na lady name man pressure ne.
With wedding fee.
Pressure dey want me mama. Say obaba miscarry be there. Meniska na
enti mu beti aye say yenso ya e betena asesa
honson ya me den honson ya
yentena ase
won say bia ho aso ubetimi aware na ansakra na wakwa akope obi waka relationship ase enti honson say obeware apacho
you know to bomb
yeah
mun pesca mun ko pesca
no de wo say you wo de beware no
ba no to na bi e wo say mo te asemase na me de mo calm down obi wo kwa wo say meniska say ti ase enye wedding kaka oban chinchina nyin opay so ni ska bia da ha de bebo ade intina opay me ko first can
some pressure be abo o dream want to ase
me ko bokro no ana sere na bro
o kasa woni bia boy so no afraid chile now what is not cheating be mo ko cheat okon pa okon
I so Charlie mo input no mo aye no nyina it's very very nice quite unfortunate say time is not on our side a bit but another time episode where I think you be ramu more because bombia verona to name semi kika cano there
you have to
I was saying I dive deep into the ocean so what I say so before I let you guys go more special people or a group of persons and more person more shout outs to Kobe.
Shout out to Charity Mensa, that's my mommy.
Yeah.
And Chelsea.
Chelsea, the one CFC and a football club.
Oh, Chelsea fan. It's just man okay.
Me a Chelsea fan. So me catch Chelsea.
Chelsea
be any what you
Chelsea be a Chelsea. If you
Chelsea be a Chelsea.
Very know about you.
Okay, shout out to my baby girl Martina, Destiny, and my husband back up Emmanuel.
Yeah. Shout outs to my mom, my family, my whole team, my fans. Oh, one love.
Alright. So shout outs to everybody out there. Shout outs to God. Shout outs to all the guys, our peers and everybody. Came at no more can also 2 man guys shout outs to you. Nice. Guys, shout outs to everybody. Leo, TikTok man. Shout outs to you.
I don't care.